Okay, guys. Yeah, we moved from the Harvest House. Now we're down Davenport, Quad Cities, on the east side of the Mississippi, Hampton, Illinois, camping right on the river. We're just taking a drive around here. We'll show you the campsite here probably tomorrow, but found this historic monument, and this is called Campbell's Island. We had to cross a bridge. This is in the middle of the Mississippi River. So this is in memory of 10 U.S. regulars, 4 Illinois Rangers, 1 woman and 1 child killed July 19th, 1814 in a battle between U.S. soldiers under Lieutenant John Campbell and the Sac and Fox Indians under their war chief Black Hawk. Wow, so there's a... Sounds like Campbell Island. Yeah. So we had a little tangled with the Indians here.
I guess, a new island here. Okay, American Revolution.
This shaft bears witness to the heroism of Lieutenant John Campbell, Stephen Rector, John Riggs, and John Weaver, Surgeon John Stewart, 33 U.S. regulars, and 65 Illinois Rangers who on this spot valiantly battled for their country. I think it probably could be argued that the Indians were battling for their country too.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my God, these are original cannons that are here, or they just...
Well, it doesn't say that, does it? It sure looks like...
Oh, look, these are kind of a...
That's what it looked like, folks.
I mean, they're not near anything to fight. Across the ocean? I mean, across the ocean, across the river?
I think there's somebody working on the top of that tower up there. A couple of guys.
Oh, there is.
Wow. Yeah, so yeah, I don't know if these cannon or maybe it says on this side. Erected by the state of Illinois in the year 1906 under the supervision of the Moline chapter of the National Society Daughters of the American Revolution. Okay.
Who would have thought?
It's history. Okay, guys, so you can see here we're going over the Mississippi. Yeah, we're camping right on the river Hampton, Illinois, right across from, this is LeClaire here. Well, we're gonna go see American pickers. Okay, we just got to antique archaeology here. It's just like seen many times on the show. There's the van. Hopefully they'll let us film in there. Masks are encouraged. Well, not mandatory. All right, cool.
Hi.
Hi there.
So you know, photos are okay, but we prefer no video.
No video? Okay.
Thank you.
Sorry guys, no video. Okay, so that was some cool stuff and interesting stuff. We're getting ready to go in the main shop here. I wonder if Danielle's in there. But I asked the gentleman operating the cash register if they came in very often or how often they came in. And he said it's been more and more frequent. He said about every month or a month and a half that those guys will stop in here, make an appearance. But yeah, it's too bad they don't allow any filming. But yeah, I'm going to respect that. And let's go in here.
Snapshots in there.
So yeah, cool. I got a YouTube channel. I mean,
cool.
so it is okay if I film. Like,
Yep, go for it.
Okay, cool. All right, she's cool. She said I could film. Oh, there's that Schwinn bike there. Oh yeah, so much of the stuff you've seen on the episodes. Very cool. Yeah, she said as long as nobody else is in here, I can film. Very cool. What a life, these guys. traveling the country and picking cool stuff. Yeah, you guys got to come check this out, especially if you're a American Picker watcher. Okay, we're in LeClaire here. As we're leaving Antique Archaeology, we see there's a Freedom Rock here that you can drive around. So there's Scott County Freedom Rock, home of the free because of the brave. This is, he did this, it looks like, in October of 2014. Oh, there's Buffalo Bill. Tomorrow we're going to hit the Buffalo Bill Cody Museum. He was born here, LeClaire, Iowa. John F. Baker Medal Honor recipient. Honor and remember. Okay, we did decide to go to hit the Buffalo Bill Museum today. The Freedom Rock was just down there. So, Buffalo Bill, 1846 to 1917. Born near LeClaire, he was known as Buffalo Bill, a legend of the early West. Mention his name even today, and most everyone will immediately think of the Indian scout, buffalo hunter, Pony Express rider, Indian fighter, showman, etc. As an indication of his fearlessness, at the age of 16, Cody became a Pony Express rider. During Indian uprisings, he fought in several campaigns. Cody's Wild West show was organized at Scout Rest Ranch near Omaha on May 17, 1883. His Wild West show toured many years in the U.S., Canada, and Europe. Hundreds of books and articles have been written about him. Bill, at the height of his career, was by far the most famous man in the world. He, in fact, was America's first superstar. All right, looks like there's a riverboat in here, a paddle boat also. Okay. They were requiring us to wear masks, so we said bye-bye. We're just taking a little drive up the river on the Illinois side, and we're in Port Bryan. Look at this. I'm sure it's probably all in there. Don't know what that means though. We'll be rolling t-shirts available at Village Hall.
Like a will be rolling, like put it all together.
I don't know. Let's see what the front of him looks like. And I suppose the sun's right in your eyes there. Anyway, look, right on the Mississippi. Mississippi. There's LeClaire right there. That's where the pickers were, just like right in that neighborhood. Anyway, yeah, we're finding some weird stuff. Hope you guys are enjoying it. We are. Okay, we are wrapping up our stay in the Quad Cities. What did you like the best?
I liked the town of LeClaire. It was a very quaint little town, very cute. And that's where Antique Archaeology is, the American Pickers from the TV show. So I enjoyed going there. But I really enjoyed driving around to the different areas and just kind of finding all the little pieces of history.
Along the river.
Yeah, along the river. Where was it? Campbell Island that we went to? That was only, what, a mile and a half long, and yeah. Some history there. So I always enjoy doing that. That was pretty cool. What did you like that being in the Quad Cities?
Oh, I was looking forward to going to Antique Archaeology, seeing the American Pickers shop, and you guys could see it. That's where they filmed from. So it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's cool that we could see things in there that we actually saw in the show, TV show too. That was kind of fun. And just camping on the river too, on the Mississippi River. That's true.
Huge, massive. Watching the barge traffic go by and all the different boats. Yeah. Which my favorite thing is actually coming up on Saturday's video. It's a massive 1,000-foot set of barges with this huge tugboat navigating its way through a very tight lock and dam. So look forward to that one. I'd love that. But anyway, we're gonna wrap. You have anything else?
No, I think that was it.
Okay. Appreciate every single one of you guys. God bless, and hit that notification bell if you haven't already. And I'm guessing you're subscribed. But anyway, love you. See you Saturday.